good idea. You shared a story with me yesterday about making the bed with Dad last night.
Oh, that's right. Yes. I said, Jane, we've just broken the rules. We've been married for 51 years shortly. And David said, do you think I could have 2 pillowcases the same colour on my side of the bed? And I said, no, because I normally have a pillowcase that matches the bedspread or the current doona, and then underneath the pillow that we're using to sleep on. And I said, no. And then I thought, why not? So now David's got 2 pillowcases, the same colour on his. After 50 years, that's something that's always worried him.
Well, now is the time to have those open conversations, and what better is than having it on date night? And I love that idea of date night. And just keep it simple. Know that any changes you make are not forever.
No.
Create your space, even if it is a sheet, dividing a bedroom for the kids or whatever that might be. I think, as you said to me when we were chatting about this earlier, just having that place and taking this time and creating it into a positive rather than a negative. And let's face it, there's a lot of positives that have come out of this kind of lockdown period. We've got people playing with their kids and talking to family members and learning how to do technology like Zoom. I know that you've just done your photography club has just had their online Zoom class. We're doing Qigong together on Monday mornings. Crime is down, the environment's in a better position, so there's all these, fantastic outcomes. I think we kind of lose that. And, when we get all mopey around the house and think, I'm over it, it might be time to create a special place for yourself and have some time out. So thank you for all of your tips today, Mum. As always,
it's been a pleasure.
Nice.
Been a pleasure.